What's Gucci squad? What's Gucci family? Young Don Mega back at y'all with another reaction, man. Today we finna be reacting to Daily Dose of Internet Part 3. You heard me? 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This truck was struck by lightning. Nobody was hurt thanks to the metal of the truck dispersing the electricity.
Why are you in a wheelchair when I saw you get out of your car and walk?
What the heck?
This person walked out of their vehicle and assembled that wheelchair.
They can still be hurt.
I have nerve damage in one leg, sir. I can walk.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
After they give birth, there's a condition some women can have that can turn their legs into Play-Doh. It's basically just extreme swelling in the legs. This is a professional. Please do not attempt.
What the fuck?
This woman was visiting Asia and noticed that all the plus-size clothing stores have very direct names.
Fat girls, fatty girl, fatty fat girl. Love calories, moo moo. Yo, this is the road. Damn. Damn. What the fuck?
It took a while for this horse to realize that he actually wasn't wearing a harness.
He's so used to.
This guy that looks exactly like Ed Sheeran loves to go to Ed Sheeran concerts.
I'm nervous. We're literally outside it. Oh my god.
They all think he's Ed Sheeran.
Paris has recently been going through some protests and riots, but people for the most part are unbothered.
Yo, what the hell, boy?
This dad came home and caught the prank his kid set up for him, so his wife told him to come back and pretend he didn't see it.
Guys! Tom's here! He's gonna open the door!
Kitty. Oh shit, he said, yo, get that.
She kept being harassed by her horse, so she decided to finally catch him in the act.
Oh. Okay. Whoa.
That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Hey, much love, family. It was another Daily Dose of Internet, y'all.